So this tongue is not very clear, so it's very hard to read. But it's obvious when you see those cracks. Okay, like you see that, it shows a yin deficiency. A yin deficiency means poor fluid flow, mostly lymphatic flow. When you see that deep etching, the crack, okay, it hits the stomach region. You have the stomach region right here, but also the bit of the lungs, okay, and the spleen as well. But it's very chronic in the stomach. There's an issue also with it lands close to the heart region as well. Okay, and this is the head section here. Here's the brain pituitary gland right here. You can see this weakness of the liver and gallbladder. Okay, weakness of the liver and gallbladder here as well. I can't see the rest clearly, but this section here are the lungs, spleen, and they all have yin deficiency. Okay, most pressing though is the stomach and the heart, which needs to be addressed. I can't see the kidneys or the adrenals, but if from the way the tongue is and the thickness of the tongue, also indicates spleen deficiency. Okay, so a detox is needed. I mean, the great news is that the body will heal itself systemically. You don't have to worry about that. Once you do the cleanse, and you'll be good to go. So with these eyes, not clear at all to read, okay, but there's some very obvious weaknesses you can see. And the first one is the white color you see here. That's cholesterol. There's cholesterol buildup. Now, when I say cholesterol buildup, I'm speaking about the body using acids to fight metabolic waste. So it will show in the eye as a cholesterol buildup, not necessarily in a test, although it could correlate. And look at the dark ring going around the pupil. That your mom is malabsorbed, not absorbing nutrients as she should be. This is mucus plaque on the small intestines blocking absorption. You can see on the left eye, it's even more prominent, the cholesterol buildup, okay? I can't see clearly anything else because it's very vague, but you can see the brownish color, looks like a cloud color. That's lymphatic stagnation, and it goes in line with the high cholesterol or acidosis in the body. There's a congestion seen in the shoulder, okay, as well as the liver right here is also weak. So there's the weaknesses here. Those dots indicate chronic congestion. It could also be injury, but it's very likely congestion because you have quite a few in the eye. And there's congestion in the scapula and the upper back region as well. Okay, so these are the major weaknesses I see. So there's weakness of the spleen, as you see here, and weakness of the ovaries. Also shows quite obvious. There's also plaquing in the eye region, potential cataracts. And you can see heavy cholesterol here as well. So it needs to be cleaned up.